To buy Schwab index funds, start by creating a Schwab brokerage account if you do not already have one. Visit the Schwab website and click on the option to open an account. You will need to provide personal information such as your name, address, social security number, and financial details. Once you complete the registration process, you will receive your account number and can set up your account preferences. After setting up your account, log in to the Schwab platform. Navigate to the investment section where you can find various funds. Use the search bar to look for Schwab index funds specifically. You can compare different options based on their performance, fees, and the types of indexes they track. Make sure you read the fund prospectus to understand the investment strategy and risk involved. Once you have selected the Schwab index fund you want to purchase, click on the purchase option. Specify the amount of money you wish to invest and review your order. It is important to double-check the details to ensure everything is correct before finalizing your transaction. If you are satisfied, confirm your order to complete the purchase. Finally, monitor your investment periodically. Keep an eye on the performance of the index fund and consider making adjustments based on your financial goals and market conditions. Schwab offers tools and resources to help you manage your investments effectively, so take advantage of those to stay informed about your portfolio.